Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Abigail Ifoma. I hope you enjoyed today's video because I'll be sharing with you how I made my braided hair wig. So please stay. So for this tutorial, the first thing you'll be needing is your nets, your scissors, your crochet pins, and then hair cream with your hair. So right now I'm just trying to take out the hair from the pack. So here is what it's looking like. So it's 6 pieces inside one pack. So I'm going to start by putting the wig cap, that's the wig net, on the dummy's head and then secure it with pins. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay? Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. After securing it with pin, I'm going to be using my marker, but right now I'm not using marker for it. I'm using candle. If you know me, you know I like using candle. So I'm going to use candle for it to make the lines I want, and then my thumb finger for it. So if you have tape, you can as well use tape, but right now I'm using my thumb finger to create the line, which was okay for it. This candle is not permanent, it stays for a while. Before you finish making the whole of the hair, you discover that the candle will no longer be showing. So but for the meantime, it's going to do what you want it to do. So right now this is me trying to create a line, and that line is where I'm going to put my extension. It's just to guide me on making sure that the braided wig are on straight line. So at this point I just went ahead to put cream on my hand and then apply it on the hair and brush the hair out to give me a perfect smooth hair. So what I'm going to do next is to pass my crochet pin through the net and then bring one strand of the hair out from the other side. I'm not going to tie a knot, neither am I going to pass the two hair from the crochet pin. I'm just going to take one, and that's how it's going to look like. So I'll take another portion of hair, just a little quantity, and then start braiding. I'm going to show you guys one more time so you understand what I'm saying. So here is what the hair is looking like after braiding the whole of it. So like I said, I'm going to give a space and then pass my crochet pin through the net, put my hair on the crochet pin, and then pass through just one hair out, and then take another portion of hair and start braiding. So that's just what I'm going to do until I finish the whole of the hair. As you fade away, as you fade away. Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. So as you can see, there are lots of space. I'm trying to create space in between the hair. I don't want the hair to be too full at the back and then the front as scanty. So the whole of these lines, I'm just trying to make sure that there are space in between the hair. There are spaces in between the hair, so when I get to the front, I'll start filling them up, so you won't notice any space at the back anymore. And also it's not going to be heavy on the person that is going to wear the hair. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. So this is me trying to braid the whole of the hair, and that's what I'm going to do, like I said, until I get to the top of the hair. Yeah, I'm about to fade away, 'cause every time I wake up I feel like it's my... So at this point I'm done braiding those lines I made. So this particular line, I'm not going to give lots of space. I'm going to make it close as possible to each other. Not too close, but at least not like the first one. So this one will be a little bit closed. After this line, I'm going to make another line that will be closed as well. So that will make the hair be full.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way.
So here is what the hair is looking like. But before I start braiding on it, I'm going to use my closure. Here I'm using closure on this particular wig. So I'm going to be placing the closure on the middle part of the hair, on the middle part of the wig net. So here is me trying to figure out where the middle part of the wig net is. And then after I found that, I'm just going to use my wig pin to secure it. After securing it, I'm just going to go ahead and then start inserting the extension on the particular place I want it to be, which you guys are seeing the gaps. The reason why I put the closure on the net now, it's because I really want to know where to braid on. So that's what I'm going to do, and then I'll just go ahead and use my needle and thread to sew the closure. So like I said, these lines, they are closed, not too close, but at least they are not like the first line. So I'm going to create another line close again to each other. So that one is going to close the parts and the back side of the wig. So here is me trying to use my needle and thread to sew the closure on the net. That's the wig net.
Trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
After sewing it, this is how it's going to look like. I'm just going to go ahead and use my scissors to cut out the excess net underneath the closure. So after cutting out the excess net under the closure, I'm just going to go ahead and put it on the dummy's head and start inserting all of the place I want the braid to be. So here is me. I already did one part of the closure off camera, so I'm going to be showing you guys how I was able to achieve that. So the first thing I did was to section the hair into the part I want it to be. The closure already has pattern, it has 4 parts. So what I did now is to just use one part of the hair. So I went ahead to put one spray water, that's ordinary water. I went ahead to spray water and then use my mousse. After using mousse, I also apply my edge control. So that way it already makes the hair relax and smooth. So I'll just go ahead and section the hair I want and start braiding. I'll just go ahead and start braiding. So the same formula I used on this first line is what I'm going to still use on the second line. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please, if you've watched up to this time and you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing click on the bell notification so whenever I post a new video, you'll be the first to know.
Okay, just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain. I know you told your
Like I said, I used the same method that I used for the first line to make the second one. I just want to make it sleek. So that's what I did. So what I'm going to do is to go ahead and start braiding the natural hair itself. So right here, I'm trying to create the baby hair outside the hair. So I'm just trying to create the hair and then go ahead and start braiding. So I'll braid the natural hair itself, and after that, to know the number of hair I'm making, I'll just go ahead and start losing them one at a time and remaking them. So I'm going to make it like a knotless braid method. So that's just what I'm going to do. I'll leave you guys to watch from here, and I hope you like this video. Please drop a comment what you think about it. If you like it, drop a comment. If you don't, tell me at the comment section as well. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed always. And also do not forget to subscribe. Like I said before, do not forget to subscribe, turn on the bell notification so you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. Bye guys, I'll see you in my next one.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. I guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray. I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain. I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And stay strong and fake